Okay.
I have to do it.
Put some chapstick on. Travis is going to help you.
Do you want chapstick on? Yeah. Awesome.
Look up, Dylan.
Yeah.
Dylan, look up so Travis can see your lips. Travis has to be able to see your lips. Help Dylan. Do it again.
It'll take it away.
Hey, look up, Dylan, or Travis, or Kyle, look up there. On his... You're supposed to put on his lips. Nice. Show me, Dylan. Show me. Nice. Kyle, show me. Show me. Oh, nice. Travis, show me yours. Oh, nice.
Do mine. I want to see it. I want to see it.